All right, let's talk about trains. What do you want to talk about trains? Tell me something about trains that you know.
Uh, they go. They go on a track.
They go on the track. Do they have a loud sounding horn?
Yeah.
Do they pull a lot of cars on their train cars? Do they have a big engine? What else do you know about trains? Tell me something about trains that I don't know.
But we need to just talk about them.
Do we need trains?
Yeah.
Why do we need trains?
I have trains.
You do?
Yeah.
And you like trains?
Yeah.
Would you like to ride on a real train someday?
Yeah. We're gonna ride on Thomas.
Yeah, Thomas. And do you know what are the other trains names with Thomas? Do you remember? Is there another one named Percy?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can think of any other names?
Emily.
Emily?
Yeah.
Yeah. And anybody else?
James.
James?
Yeah.
And
But not the kind in Sophia.
Sophia's a train too?
No.
No.
No, but not the James and Sophia.
What else can you tell me? Anything else about trains or anything else you'd like to say? Want me to say something funny to Surrey?
Yeah.
Like what? Can you think of any questions I can ask?
Tell Surrey a funny joke.
Tell her a joke?
Yeah.
Do you think she'd get it?
Yeah.
Well, what? Can you think of a joke? Can you tell me a joke that I can tell Surrey? You do a knock-knock joke or something?
A knock-knock joke.
Tell me a knock-knock joke. Tell me a knock-knock joke.
No! I'm gonna tell him.
Go ahead. Tell me one.
Tell Surrey the blueberry went over the train. Say that.
The blueberry went over the train?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Say that.
I will. We have to shut it off. We have to shut the phone off to say it. So say goodbye.
Bye.
All right. Bye-bye.